Hello.
Legal. Katulad ng sa dinaskas namin nung nakaraan, yung legal framework ay yun yung rules, rights, and obligations of companies, saka ng mga governments at ng mga citizens. The laws governing employment practices and labor relations in the Philippines. Example of this is the Magna Carta of Women, the Republic Act number 9710 as amended. Yung Magna Carta of Women, ito yung mga ipinagbabawal na diskriminasyon sa mga babae. Dito din nakasaad na pwede kang maging liable sa mga pinsala na magagawa mo pag nang diskrimina ka ng mga babae. Naririnig pa ako?
Oo.
Yes.
Oo.
Ge.
The Anti-Age Discrimination in Employment Act or the Republic Act number 10911. Ito naman yung pinagbabawal na diskriminasyon sa mga sa edad. Ito yung at least 40 years old kasi pwede pa. Okay.
Nawawala.
Nawawala kaye.
Next is the Sorry, may
Ayun, nawawala
signal. Okay, next is the Magna Carta for persons.
Ding, nawawala ka.
Next is the Magna Carta for persons with. Okay na?
Ayun, nawawala ka. Wala
Okay.
kami narinig. Nawawala ka.
Ayun, nagaputol-putol.
Okay na?
Nawawala ka.
Check up. Next is the Magna Carta for persons with disabilities or the Republic Act number 7277 as amended. Ito yung nag-provide siya na sa mga qualified employee na may disability. Dapat ayoko. Sorry, wala nang kulog. Dinig ako? Okay, wait. Nasaan na ako? The Magna Carta for persons with disability or the Republic Act number 7277 as amended. Yung Magna Carta for persons with disability, ito yung nagpo-provide ng mga qualified na employee na may disability. Dapat daw dito sa law na to, dapat na natatrato din na parang tag dito, na parang isang trabahador lang din na walang kapansanan. Next is the Solo Parents Welfare Act. The Solo Parents Welfare Act or the Republic Act number 8972. Ito yung nagbabawal sa isang employer na i-discrimina yung mga single parents, yung mga solo parents. Next is the Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act. Sa mga indigenous cultural communities or indigenous people. Dapat okay lang na magtrabaho sila ng maayos kahit ano pa yung race na pinanggalingan nila. Next is the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act. Sa isang workplace. Na-discuss na po namin ito nung nakaraan. Next is the Mental Health Act or the Republic Act number 11036. Ito naman yung law na nire-require ang employer na mag-develop ng mga policies, ng mga program para sa mga mental health ng mga employees. Ito yung parang nag-raise ng awareness para sa mga mental health issues. Next is the Philippine HIV and AIDS Policy Act or the Republic Act number 11. Ito yung ito yung pinagbabawal na diskriminasyon sa pagtanggap sa mga empleyado na may mga HRV or ng may mga AIDS. Kahit pa sabing aktual na meron siyang HIV or may AIDS or yung suspected pa lang na may HIV. Ito yung isang example. Kevin, 36, a call center agent from Cagayan de Oro, who was diagnosed with HIV in March 2015, said he had no idea what he could do after his company forced him to resign. As a result, I lost not only my employment but also the benefits due me after I left. May napanood po akong video ng mga example ng mga pag-discriminate. Naririnig pa ako? No.
Equal pay. The legal provision on equal pay is continued within the labor code, which states that it is unlawful for any employer to discriminate against any woman employees with respect in terms and conditions of employment solely on account of her sex. Discriminating behavior includes payment of a lesser compensation, including wage, salary, and other forms for remunerations and fringe benefits. So, female employees against a male employee for work of equal values and favoring a male employee over female employee within the respect to promotion, training opportunities, study, and scholarship grants solely on account of their sexes. Sa panahon ngayon, nagkaroon na rin ng pantay-pantay na pagtingin dun sa lalaki at babae. Kasi yung sa trabaho, sa atin ngayon, kung kaya ng babae, kaya din ng lalaki. Kung kaya ng lalaki, kaya din ng babae. So, pag sila inabigyan ng sahod, kung ano yung tamang sahod para dun sa lalaki, ganun din yung inabigay dun sa babae. Kasi nga, yung kaya nila sa trabaho ay magkaparehas na. Next, B. Aye.
Next
In
na.
the event of employer fails to comply with this, balikan daw. Ng discrimination. Ay, saan pa ka na? Next niyan, B. In the event of employers fail to comply with these requirements of the law, they will be subject to a fine ranging between 1,000 to 10,000 pesos for an imprisonment term ranging between 3 months and 3 years or what. Yung mga isang tao dito, sa isang company or sa isang organization, yung employer na hindi sumunod dun sa pagpabigay ng tamang trabaho sa mga employer, ay pwedeng kasuhan at pwede silang magbayad ng 1,000 hanggang 10,000 at magpapatawan pa sila ng kulong sa loob ng 3 buwan hanggang 3 taon. And discrimination are presented within the labor code, which states that the state must afford protection to labor, promote full employment, equal work opportunities regardless of sex, races, or creed, opportunities regardless of sex, race, and creed, and regulate relations between workers and employees. Labor code prohibits discrimination on the ground of sex, including marriage and pregnancy, as well as the trade union membership. Labor code also makes the unlawful for any employer to discriminate, including refusal to pay wage, reduce the wages, or benefits or discharge in any manners against an employee who has been in complaint concerning wages and has testified about to testify in such complaint. Discriminate against any person in respect in terms of and condition of employment in account of his or her age. Discriminate against employees in the exercise of the right to self-organization, to discriminate with regard to wages, hours of work, and the other terms and conditions of employment to encourage or discourage membership in any labor organization, and to discriminate against employee for having giving or being about a given testimony under the labor code. So dito sa labor code, doon natin makikita yung mga karapatan natin as employee, yung tamang pasweldo, yung mga benefits na makukuha mo as employee, at saka yung tao dito, yung mga para maiwasan din yung discrimination sa isang company. Women Developing and Nation Building Act 1991 also given women equal work opportunity with men. Dito sa Women Developing Nation, ito yung nagbibigay ng pagkapantay-pantay na opportunities sa babae at sa lalaki. Gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, kung kayang gawin ng isang lalaki, kaya din gawin ng babae. So, dapat, kung ano yung tamang pagpasweldo dun sa lalaki, ganun din dapat yung abigay niyo sa babae. In accordance with Republic Act 7277, no disabled person may be denied access to opportunities for suitable employment as qualified disabled employee is subject to the same terms and conditions of employment at the same compensation, privileges, benefits, incentives, or allowances as the qualified able-embodied people. The law fixed 5% quota for the persons with disability. Itong Republic Act 277, siya naman yung tumutulong dun para mabigyan ng tamang opportunities yung employee as disabled. Di porket disabled ka, yung mga karapatan mo o yung mga benefits na dapat mo makukuha as employee ay hindi mo na dapat ay hindi ibigay sa iyo. Dapat ay pare-parehas din kung ano yung nakukuha nung yung empleyado na walang kapasanan, dapat ganun din yung makuha nung disabled person. The Anti-Age Discrimination in Employment Act of 2016 prohibits an employer from the following. First, print or publish. A cause of to be printed or published in any form of media, including the internet, any notice and advertisement relating to employment, suggesting preferences, limitation, specification, and discrimination based on the age. 2. Require the declaration of age or birth date during the application process. Decline any employment application because of the individual's age. Discriminate against an individual in terms of compensation, terms and condition of privileges of employer or account such individual age. Deny any employees or workers promotion of or opportunity for training because of age. Forcibly lay of an employer or worker because of old age. Impose early retirement for the basis as the employer's or worker's age. Dito naman sa anti-age discrimination, as employer, hindi porket bata ka or example, di porket bata ka at may kakayanan ka na maging isang pinuno or pwede kang ma-promote sa mataas na posisyon. Pag nila na bata ka, pwede nilang i-hold yung application mo palibasa bata ka pa. Pag naman matanda ka na, sasabihin naman ng iba na regular employee nasa tamang edad, sasabihin, bakit naman sila yung magiging sila yung mapromote, mas kaya namin at kami mga medyo nasa tamang edad pa, sila yung nasa medyo matanda na. Tapos minsan ay, yun din na nagiging sanhi ng early retirement pag nagkakaroon ng discrimination sa isang organization. If an employer does not comply with the Anti-Age Discrimination in the Employment Act of 2016, he might be punished with a fine ranging for 50,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos or imprisonment ranging for 3 months to 2 years or both. Ang employers naman daw na hindi sumunod sa anti-age discrimination ng employment ay maaari silang makulong kapag hinarangan nila yung anti-age discrimination. Pwede silang makulong ng 3 buwan hanggang 2 years or pwede silang magbayad ng pera tapos makukulong din sila ng 2 taon. Equal opportunity for employment. Equal opportunity for employment. No person with disabled shall be denied access to opportunities for suitable employment. A qualified employee with disability shall be subject to the same terms and conditions of employment and the same compensation, privileges, benefits, incentives, and allowances as qualified able person. Gaya nga na nakaraan, sabi ko dun sa report namin ng Lunes, ang disabled person ay kailangan makakuha siya ng tamang benepisyo as employee. Dapat magkaroon din siya ng pagkapantay-pantay na privileges sa isang organization. At least 1% of all positions in the government agency, office, or corporate reserved for the persons with disability. Corporations with more than 100 employees are encouraged to serve at least 1% of all positions for persons with disability. Ito na nga yung nasabi na sa equal opportunities of employment, dapat yung mga disabled person ay meron din na hihintay na position para sa kanila para magkaroon sila ng trabaho. Promoting equal opportunity and treatment in employment is a central element and doesn't work agenda. In the same way, the Philippine Constitution recognizes the role of women in nation buildings and promote the equality of women and men. Likewise, the Philippine Labor Code seeks to ensure the equal employment opportunities regardless of sex and race or creed. It is the duty of states to ensure equality before the law in all aspects of national life by rectifying or ending all practices and systems that are disadvantageous or discriminatory for women and reason merely of the sex in cases where it is not a relevant to make a distinction. So, yung pag-promote ng equal opportunities and treatment ay nakasulat siya sa Labor Code. Siya yung sa Labor Code na yun ay doon lahat nakalagay yung mga terms and benefits na dapat makuha at saka yung mga anti-discrimination na mga empleyado or manggagawa. Okay na po.